What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Modern Nomads. It's your boy AJ.
I'm Elias.
Amans.
And we are back for some more Teach You a Lesson episode 4.
This
Great
show is
show.
so good, yeah.
Great show so far, man. I'm looking forward to seeing where the story goes. 10 episodes this season, so yeah, I'm intrigued to see what happens. That ending, man. I don't even know what to think about it because their claims like nothing.
Yeah.
Like they're trying to make it, but I'm worried if that was like if it actually is gonna be a thing because I don't know how the laws work in Korea. You get me?
It shouldn't last long, to be honest. They'll probably deal with that this episode.
All right, let's get straight into this. If you are new, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you guys want to see our full Uncle reactions on our Patreon. Yeah, we also have a couple of other K-dramas on there, like Study Group, Weak Hero. We have older ones, but all of us are dead. That's another one.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's get straight into this.
현재 교육부 장관이자 교육감국 수장인 최강석 장관은 당시 살해된 여교사의 아버지이며 나머진 감독관
Trying to make it like some sort of revenge.
여교사 사건과 아무 연관이 없을까요? 교권을 위해 활동하는 게 아닙니다. 죽은 딸과 약혼자를 위한 끔찍한 화풀이 사적 복수입니다.
Looks like this might be working,
이번에
judging from their reaction.
식사하셨습니까?
가자.
기자회견 혹시 보셨습니까? 그게 다 진짜입니까?
진짜예요.
Not all of them knew.
거기 계속 서 있으면 회의 지각한다.
Oh, that's kind of crazy that she didn't know, though.
제보는 충명 외고에서 그 남학생이 선생님을 폭행한 사건이거든요. 제보자는 피해 선생님의 동료 교사이시 찍은 영상을 같이 보내주셔가지고
영상 들어봐.
이놈의 새끼야 잘한다 하니까 정말.
Oh, what? The other
And
students
the
were against
students
it.
are blaming this. I think it's going to be a...
What?
The students were also angry at the other students.
외고 중에서도 최고라더니 막
야, 니네 먼저 가 있어. 나 금방 뒤따라갈게. 어?
충명 외고가 다른 외고들에 비해 좀 인지도가 좀 근데 저 천상열 선생님께서 오시고 나서 또 늘어나고 그래서 여기가 이렇게
This guy put the school on the map.
그럼 그걸로 유명해지신 겁니까?
인품이요. 참 스승
So what the heck happened? From those videos, he was getting bullied, wasn't he?
아니 제가 언젠가 만나 뵙게 되면 꼭 감사하다고 인사를 드리려고 했었거든요. 교권 보호국의 감독관 나화진이라고 합니다. 붙었거든요. 그게 제
Yo, this guy's mad famous.
대체 왜 저러는 겁니까, 나와진 감독관님?
감독관님 이거 없던 일로 하면 안 되겠습니까? 조금 있으면 중간고사입니다. 뭐 현웅이나 다른 아이들한테 중요한 시험이라.
잘못을 했는데 벌은 받아야죠. 선생님, 제가 좀 어려운 부탁 하나만 드려도 될까요? 인강 때 그 마지막에 하셨던 그 멘트 있잖아요. 그것 좀 한 번만 좀 여러분의 잠재력을 믿습니다.
아이고. 자, 한번 좀 부탁드려도 될까요? 여러분의 잠재력을 믿습니다.
What's going on, bro?
Oh, this is the Go teacher. What do you mean what's going on? Okay, one thing I'm confused about is they came here just because of that one guy punching him.
Yeah, something's off, bro.
Like,
Something's definitely off.
무려 듀얼 모니
The way that all the other students were ganging up on him as well.
so you think the teacher might be...
I think the teacher's a villain, bro.
넷플릭스나 영화 볼 때도 참 좋고요. 그리고
Because the MC, he seems like he's being a bit sarcastic with him as well.
Yeah. Get that part too.
박현웅 학생 맞습니까?
And the fact that the teacher didn't want them to pursue this. He was using the midterms as an excuse.
이유 얘기하면은 놔줄 거예요? 아니잖아요. 경찰에 신고할 거면 신고하세요. 괜히 궁금한 척 좀 하지 말고. 결정하기 어려우면은 결정하기 쉽게 만들어줘요.
내가 참을 인자 쓰게 하지 마십시오.
Come on, man.
She's cold when she locks in.
천 선생님이 학생들이랑 함께 밤잠 설쳐가면 학생보다 더 기뻐하시는 분이시다 보니까
Okay, there's definitely more to this, man.
참을 수가 없었습니다.
허세랑 분노만 있고 말은 지겹게 안 듣고 공부도
성급한 일반화의 오류 잘못 생각하시는 것 같은데 박현웅 전교 1등이에요.
Number one student. Okay.
진짜네? 아니 전교 1등이 왜? 전교 1등이 왜?
More than meets the eye.
This is interesting. I feel like I'm watching like one of those crime
Yeah. This is giving. Yeah.
where you don't even know who the suspect is, but
It's obviously him. There's more to him.
yeah. Now it's
Yeah, they're trying to portray him as like this perfect teacher that
Yeah.
helps everybody.
caught red-handed.
이번 시험지인가 봐요.
저 교무부장이라 시험지를 확인해야 돼가지고.
와, 시험지도 일게요. 그 시험 공부하기 싫으면 친구들이랑 시험지 훔치러 가는 상상을 했어. 나 시험지 훔치는 시나리오 짜는 게 재밌었어가지고. 짐작 가는 데도 없으십니까?
제가 얼마 전에 특별반을 하나 개설했어요.
특별반이요?
근데 반 수업 내용이 현역의 성에 차지 않았던 것 같아요.
근데 다 배운 건데요. 그것도 지난 시간에 배웠어요, 선생님.
성분 A실이 7이고.
그거 배워서 시험 어떻게 치냐고요. 지금
왜?
며칠째 똑같은 거 하고 있는데.
It's a fake story.
다른 아이들 수준도 고려하다 보니까
근데 그건 결국 그 아이를 위했던 건데, 그죠?
그건 우리 기준 아닐까요?
내 머리로는 도저히 이해가 안 돼서 말입니다. 전교 1등이 왜 그런 겁니까? 초등학생처럼 머리 좋은 학생이 선생님을 폭행하면 어떤 그걸 무시할 만큼 화난 일이 대체 뭐냔 말입니다. 이성적이면 스카이도 장학금 받고 들어갑니다. 2년을 대학 가려고 죽어라 공부해서 전교 1등까지 했는데 왜 공부 지지리도 못하는 내가 생각해도 너무 이상한데 너 부모님도 아시니?
사실 제가 선생으로서 하면 안 되는 실수를 했습니다.
What the heck happened, man?
부모님들이 오셔서 진학 상담을 하는 현역의 부모님은 지방에 계셔서 오시지 않길래 제가 찾아간 적이 있어요. 식당을 하고 계셨는데 너무 바쁘신 것 같아서 손님인 척하고 밥만 먹고 온 적이 있습니다.
Bro, I don't even know what to believe anymore.
부모님은 모르시나 보지?
I can tell that the teacher is gonna be the villain, bro.
물어보는 수밖에 없겠다. 억울해? 분해? 이거 너라고! 도움의 시작은 도와달라고 부탁하는 것부터야.
Scott, nah, she's doing a very good job, man.
이번 달 학원비가 안 들어왔더라고요.
아들 이번 달 학원비 아직 안 들어갔지? 아빠가 깜빡했어. 곧 넣을 테니까 걱정하지 말고 화이팅!
천상열 선생님이 오고 나서 정지 당했어요. 누가 뭐가 건축물로 신고했다고 하더라고요.
그게 선생님을 폭행한 이유야?
그런 상황에서도 부모님이 어렵게 수소문해서 과외 선생님을 구해주셨어요.
시험 잘 봤네. 시험 문제 어려웠는데.
네.
야, 과외 선생님 실력이 좋은가 보다. 어떤 분이시니?
과외 그만두신다고요? 제 과외 그만하고.
Bro, what's this guy's deal,
Guy
man?
is a piece of shit, bro.
갑자기 그만둔다니까 이상하잖아요.
I'm so confused, man.
현웅이는 어떻게 되는 겁니까?
절차대로 처리해야죠, 뭐.
현웅이를 생각하면 잘못한 건 따끔하게 혼내고 가는 게 맞는데 잘 모르겠네요.
저희 교권국에 맡겨주시죠.
So I'm guessing it's something where he lets his kids, the students, have fun, and he doesn't teach them properly or some shit.
No, that doesn't make sense because the school went up as once he came.
Oh,
Like students started going to university and shit.
yeah, then I don't know. They're gonna have to explain.
연예인 만나러 오신 것 같습니다. 아예 이 사건의 본질에 관심이
He's doing it in his own way, man.
이유보다
The thing is that it's something specific with this kid that he doesn't like. I think maybe it's because he's
He could be smarter than him. Maybe.
yeah, something like that.
하고 싶은 얘기가 뭐야?
이미 기울어진 잣대로 모든 것은 학생들 잘못이다 여기고 계신 거 아닙니까? 누구 잘못인지 이미 결정하고 오신 거 아니냐 말입니다. 사적 복수심 때문에 아무것도 안 보이시는 겁니까?
So she's starting to think like he has a bias towards teachers because of his wife.
그게 걸리면 여기서 그만둬도 좋다. 야, 이만희, 하던 대로 하자. 어?
He definitely already knows something's up with the teacher, but
Yeah,
why I don't understand is why she's not telling him now because she doesn't know either way that if he knows or not. Like, why would you not tell him that information?
No, but at the same time, he should be telling her that he can tell that.
He's gonna get caught for sure.
누구세요?
Of course.
여기 어떻게 왔어요?
아 여기 학원 등록
어디 학교 다니는데요?
충명외고요.
충명외고. 저희 학원에 대해 뭐 듣고 온 거 있어요?
좋은 학원이라고.
저희 등록 기간이 다 끝나서 더 이상 학생들 안 받는데.
근데 강의실이 이렇게 다 비워져 있다.
등록 끝났다고요.
How did he think he was gonna be able to get away with this, bro?
저기요. 네? 아까 그 충명외고 학생이랬죠?
영어과 4반이요.
그럼 문열로 잘 아시겠다. 그 반 반장인데.
It's not a person. Oh my god, he gone.
알죠.
아, 맞다. 4반 반장은 현호가 아니라 보현이구나.
Fuck's sake. Just walk away, man. You don't need to answer anything, man.
이게 뭐 헷갈렸나?
우리 학원 어떻게 알고 와? 당신 학생 맞아?
그럼요.
누구야?
에?
누군데?
Yo, what's wrong with this guy, man? Get the fuck out of here.
근데 형주. 전학 갔어. 서운했잖아.
It's the kid from episode 2.
Oh, yeah.
충명외고.
Nah, yeah, this is gonna help him.
잘 지냈어?
That's fire, man. I like that they're bringing back characters from other episodes.
거기는 좀 어때?
똑같아. 여전히 싸우고 여전히
He saved his ass, bro.
괴롭히진 않아.
진짜?
넌 어때?
The niggas are still fighting, man. There's still a pecking order and everything. I like that. That's realistic. Like shit doesn't change like straight away.
Bro, as long as they're not bullying him, it's all
There
fine.
they are.
내일 시험인데 공부 안 해?
Oh my god. Man. Let's see this.
아이 천천히 와 엄마가
Yo, this is a scene I never expected in episode 4, man.
시험 공부 때문에 지는 게 아니야 뭐.
내가 말한 그 족보 다 정리했지?
나부터 줘야 알지. 니네 과랑 우리 과랑 보는 과목이
Yeah, they're fully just taking care of him now.
See the real life effects of the bureau, man. Come on.
Let's go, bro.
W organization, bro.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro, she's absolutely insane. Oh, backstory. She was a runner since the early, man. Oh. What in the world is going on, man? Damn, she's getting bullied too, man.
얼마나 더 쳐맞아야 정신을 차릴래? 이거 잔다르크야? 그러게 왜 찜따 주제에 왕따를 붓겠다고 깝치게 해? 넌 년이 존나 나대네. 나 아가리도 좀 찢어줘.
니네 뭐야?
Yo, these guys are disgusting, bro.
Oh, that's fire, man.
군발이네.
They go way back.
충성하세요. 친구들이랑 좀 바쁜데.
친구 맞아?
네 맞아요. 프렌즈.
도와줄까?
Wow. Look at that, man. And especially what she was saying to the kid.
Yeah.
First
ask
step
for
is
help.
to ask for help, bro.
도움의 시작은 도와달라고 부탁하는 것부터.
야 가신다 야.
Why is this giving me One Piece Nami vibes, man? He's beating up kids from early, man. Let's go.
뭐 어쩔 건데요? 군발 새끼가 뭐 민간이라도 치게?
Let's go. Bro, they're idiots, man. You know what I would have done in that situation? Bring out your phone and record this, man. At least get him fired
There's
from
no
his...
time for that. He already whooped their asses, bro.
Talk about the girls.
There's way too many evil little kids, bro.
Yeah.
Like, it's so frustrating.
So I'm guessing after this, she just joins the army to.
Demonic children, bro.
신기한 게 선생님 반에 그 전교 1등부터 11등까지 다 있더라고요.
다른 선생님들이 워낙 부담스러워하셔가지고 그냥 제가 다 떠났습니다.
믿습니다.
아유.
Why did it sound like he said Bismillah?
It actually,
Didn't know.
yeah, it did.
혹시 이 학원 좀 잘 아세요?
뭐 소수정의 엘리트 코스 교육을 한다고 소문은 들은 적 있습니다.
아니 그렇게 공부를 시키는데 정작 1등은 박현웅이 가잖아요. 아니 요즘은 그 학원에서 서로 애들 데려가려고 막 난리가 났다고 하더라고요. 홍보 때문에. 현웅이가 이번 폭행 사건 때문에 시험을 못 봤다. 그럼 이게 누구한테 제일 곤란한 노아비스 학원. 현웅이 때문에 등수가 한 단계씩 오르는 애들. 아니면 등수가 아니라 아예 등급 자체가 오르는 정수정 학생.
무슨 말씀하시려고 그러는 겁니까?
Blocked your ass, man. Let's go.
선생님 그 혹시 한예리라는 학생 아세요?
Oh, that's the girl from episode 3.
교회 다녀왔습니다. 그 학교 학생이거든요. 모르세요? 선생님께서 중학교 때 담임이셨는데.
What?
들어본 것 같기도 하네요.
그 예리가 공부를 잘했는데 여기 충령 외고로 진학을 준비했다가 못 왔다고 하더라고요. 그 바람에 여기 충령 외고로 올 수 있었던 학생
Oh shit! So I'm guessing that's where her hatred for teachers comes from.
맞죠?
This guy is... Oh my god, he needs to go, man.
시험을 못 봤을까요? 수정이처럼 잘 나가는 부모를 못 둬서 그랬나? 그래서 현웅이한테 한 것처럼 클래스 만들어서 공부할 시간 빼고 과외 선생 빼돌리고 인맥으로 부모님 가게 건드려서 폭행까지 유도하셨어요?
This guy's a monster, man.
So episode 3 villain came from this guy.
Wow.
전상렬이 너한테 어떻게 했는지 그것만 얘기해줘.
1등급 된 거 맞지? 각자 알맞은 등급이 있거든.
What the heck is wrong with this guy, man?
너희 집안 다 그냥 뭐 9등급.
So this is like some class situation, bro.
Yeah.
Like that, like I was wondering what was the difference, because this guy's the kid, like he just smashed in the class.
Yeah.
He just came from a poor family. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's classist issue.
저는 한예리가 문제 학생이라고 말씀드린 적이 없는데 아까는 기억도 나지 않으시는 것 같더니 최근에 소연 여고에서 문제 일으킨 것까지 잘 알고 계시네요.
지금 뭐 하자는 겁니까? 그만하시죠.
그 선생님이 그렇게 걱정하시는 박현웅 이번 시험 꼭 치를 겁니다.
Let's go.
감사합니다. 저는 교권국의 잠재력을 믿습니다.
Yeah, episode 3 makes
That
a lot
makes
more sense.
way
now.
more sense
Yeah.
because her hatred for teachers, yeah,
Yeah.
was way too deep.
Yeah.
Filippo, is that?
That's I'm pretty sure that's probably the girl that he's gonna put in that top 10 position.
Yeah, gotta be.
박현웅이 왜 다시 시험을 보게 된 거죠? 우리 수정이 모의고사 망친 거 만회하려면 건 전과목 1등급 돼야 한다고 말씀드렸잖아요.
All these adults suck, bro.
Kill these adults, bro. They're actually the. Oh my god, bro.
딴 애들은 다 되는 1등급이 왜 우리 수정이만
As a teacher, this guy's actually.
Yeah.
As a teacher, he's a fucking disgrace.
I can't believe I called this guy the GOAT teacher in the first couple of
I was
seconds, man.
confused when you said that.
Nah,
I was
'cause
like, aren't we here to obviously investigate this guy?
No, we're here to
no.
investigate the students.
The students.
No, I know, but he was clearly
Yeah, he was
suspicious.
This is so early on, man. I'll be honest with you. This is before we got anything. We didn't even know any information. We just came into the school.
지나가지고 컴퓨터 램을 칠까요?
나와진 감독관님, 제가 알던 선배님이 아닌 것 같습니다. 현웅 학생 말은 들어보려고 하지도 않고 남들이 얘기하는 사적 복수.
아니 그런 거 아니에요.
아니면 뭐요?
아니 나와진 감독관님 계속 그 천상열 선생님만 주목하고 계셨어요.
Come on, man. Get with the program.
학원도 갔다 오고 그랬는데
Never disrespect Jin, man. Come on.
근데 그걸 왜 저만 몰랐습니까?
속이는 것도 잘 못하시고 거짓말도 잘 못하신.
공사.
Yo, what the hell? He scared me.
나와진 감독관.
Yo, she has so much energy, man. It's crazy. Screaming and running at the same time.
속도 많아 속도.
왜 그러셨습니까? 천상여 선생님 의심하면서 왜 안 그런 척 하셨습니까?
내가 안 그런 척 한 게 아니고 안 그러길 바랬던 거지. 그러니까 세상에 그런 선생님 한 명쯤 있었으면 했다고.
저는 후배 자격이 없습니다. 저한테는 말해도 된다고 생각합니다. 저한테는 아닌 말을 하셔야 된다고 생각합니다.
할리마.
예!
우리가 남이냐? 하던 대로 하자.
Just follow my lead. Great words, man.
나와진 씨.
Yeah. Here we go.
대한고랑 구운고 감독 과정에서 일부 무고한 학생 되는 때까지 직권남용, 채용 절차의 공정화에 관한 법률 위반으로
Oh my god.
조세 포탈 혐의로 최강석 장관을
Brother.
Bro, it actually worked, man. Oh my god.
게다가 천상열 선생님 같은 분을요.
천상열 교수
This is it, bro. This guy has a good reputation and he has a lot of people backing him.
이 교권국의 목적이 사적 복수로 알려진 후에
They need to get like clear evidence of this guy doing stuff like. I think it'll be easy, but.
이번에 교권국 몰아붙여서 대통령 교권국 법안 발의 때 우리는 최강석 장관한테 속았다. 책임 전가하기 딱 좋은 타이밍 아닙니까?
교육위원회 연다고 발표하세요.
Bro, this escalated quick, man.
Yeah, it escalated. We didn't know how it was gonna work before, but now this teacher just changed everything.
What the heck happened, man? Just like that, man. We just had the touching moments over there, and then 2 seconds later, they're both locked up.
뭐라도 해야 되는 거 아닙니까?
어차피 우린 다음 주까지 여기 잡혀 있어야 돼. 다음 주가 충명 외고 시험이잖아. 우린 그때까지 움직이면 안 되는 사람들이고.
공국은 알아서 잘 처리하셨더라고요.
제가 지금 기본 인맥뿐이라서.
우리 수정이는요?
어머니.
이게 뭔가요?
수정이한테 달달 외우라고 하십시오.
They're cheating. Oh my god.
다른 애들한테도 가르쳐 주신 건 아니죠?
제 교육감 후원의 밤.
걱정 마세요. 아, 후원금은
You think this is how still happens in real life, yeah?
How does this mother
Well, you know what? If you get you know what I hate about this guy the most? His fake laugh.
Yeah.
He's actually. He's,
Like, shut the heck up, man.
oh my god, he's the most annoying villain I've seen so far, bro.
이 사람 조사해봐야 뭐 나올 거 없을 겁니다.
What makes it even worse is that he's the origin of what created episode 3's villain.
허심 쓰지 말고.
Yeah, no, I like that she was actually a victim in all of this.
She's a victim and she's still a bad person as well, though. Like,
No, but regardless, she was a victim. Like, you
Yeah.
get me? Like, there's more depth to that character
Yeah,
now.
yeah. She was
Like, my
originally-
problem with her in the episode 3 was there was no reason for all that hatred, deep hatred,
Yeah.
killing someone and not giving a fuck. Like, you have to be something must have happened to you psychologically on a different level.
야 미안. 왜? 얼른 공부해.
걸리적 버린다.
Fucking annoying, man. Because this guy was number 1 in the class, man.
별아 시험 잘 봐.
Your fucking hands off me. One absolute dirtbag. Watch her not even get all the answers right, man.
No, they're cheating. So
She's writing it down?
Yeah, they're cheating. Did not see
Yeah, I know, but she's meant to memorize it.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, she fucking wrote it down too. What an absolute idiot.
Oh, that's evidence.
I'm
You can use that as evidence. Yeah, you're right.
대체 교권국을 만든 목적이 뭡니까? 천상열 선생님은 왜 타깃으로 삼은 겁니까?
서술 저거 잘 줘봐봐. 맞는데?
She got it wrong.
영어 시비주.
They cooked.
뭐야?
Bong cooked. Bong cooked, bro.
Yo! God, this
Came in
nigga
clutch,
sweating,
bro.
man. Let's go.
Yo.
당장 시험 다 걷어. 빨리. 뭐 하는 거야? 당장 걷어 이 새끼들아. 잠깐. 시험 아직 안 끝났습니다. 걷어오라고. 동작 그만. 시험 봐야지.
Would you not listen to your teacher over a random man?
문제지가 바뀌었어요. 무슨 일인지 알아보고. 제 시험 없습니다. 아니 문제지를 누가 봐? 시험지는 교권국이 바꿨습니다. 교권국이 어떻게 해? 그러게요. 다들 경찰서에 붙잡혀 있어.
나오신 겁니까? 사인을.
How do they not have people here just to check on them? Wow. Had everything set up, man. Let's go.
Yo,
This guy went through an entire mission, man.
Respect him, bro. Come on.
I'm not gonna lie to you. He actually does the most. If you actually deep
the
it.
work he puts in is crazy.
Because he done the... Bro, he got his ass beat in episode 2, man.
Yeah.
Pretending to be a student.
그만 풀어 이 새끼야. 시험 시간엔 소란을 피우거나 방해하지 않습니다. 그게 선생님이라도. 교권국.
Bitch, let's go.
Yeah.
안녕하십니까. 교권보호국입니다. 화면에 집중해 주시기 바랍니다. 지금부터
Oh my god. They got this guy on video.
천상열 선생님이 기존에 출제하려던 시험지 문제 1과식이니까 답은 1번. 정수정 학생은요?
정수정 학생의 1번 답안도 1번입니다.
교권국에서 바꾼 시험지로 시험을 치른 오늘 정수정 학생. 그런데 말입니다.
원래 출제하려던 기존의
Bro,
수학 시험지와
That girl's parents suck, man. How do they think she's gonna get fired in life if she keeps doing shit like that?
That's what happens when they throw their kids.
증거 인멸의 중범죄입니다.
You refer to that girl, man. The parents should be
Yeah,
getting
her
blamed.
mom.
Oh, lock in. It's over, bitch ass nigga. It's over.
Like quick.
수정이한테 다
Let's go.
들어가십시오.
다른 애들한테도 가르쳐 주신 건 아니죠? 시험만 잘 되면
The mom is cooked too. How sway?
Talking now. Got here with your classist bullshit, bitch.
It's AI. What are you gonna say?
저희가 어떻게 하고 있는데요?
우리 같이 서울대 가야지 서요. 너 서울대 못 믿지?
This is a big W for the borough, man. Now there's no way that they can get cancelled now.
No, yeah, because now it's like, do you know the vendetta revenge thing was
Yeah.
built on only
Students,
targeting
yeah.
students. But now that we targeted the teacher, that completely kills their whole rhetoric.
천상열 같은 쓰레기 새끼는 나한테 맡기고 나 혼내줄게 내가. 잘 먹을게. 운동한다.
지난번 기자회견 때 말씀드렸다시피 사적 복수심으로 만들어진 기관입니다. 그것보다 더 문제인 것은 무슨 짓을 하더라도 제어할 수가 없다는 겁니다. 바로 이 초법적인 설치법 8조 때문입니다. 감독관의 현장 감독 및 사건 조사를 위한 법령으로부터 제약받지 않는다. 전혀 법에 저촉되지 않더군요. 지금은 그들의 행보가 통쾌할지 몰라도 돌이킬 수 없는 비극이 벌어질 겁니다. 2년 전 재판이 있던 날 기억나십니까? 윤순열 교도관님 나오셨습니까? 네, 자리로 좀. 있는 그대로 얘기해 주시겠습니까?
피의자 조규철을 후송차로 태우려고 할 때 피의자를 향해 차량으로 돌진하던 남성.
지금 말씀하신 그 남성이 이 사람 맞습니까?
This is what they were talking about earlier.
교권국은 반드시 폐지되어야 합니다.
Well, these guys aren't even up to date, man.
최강석 장관님.
The first claim is literally invalid anyway.
얼마 전 교권보호국은 충명 왜고에 대한 전방위적 조사를 진행했습니다. 그리고 노아비스 학원 사이에 성적 조작을 위한 천상렬은 노아비스 학원을 통해 문제를 미리 유출하는 것도 모자라 시험지 유출까지 자행했습니다. 천상렬 교사와 함께 성적 조작에 참여한
All the names.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Not a single person is getting away with this. That's what I like to see.
현 국회의원 이철면.
These niggas, man.
Him.
지금 뭐 하자는 거야?
No way.
닥쳐. 자식 새끼 얼굴 방송에서 대문짝만 하게 보고 싶지 않으면은
Facts. Let's go.
Yeah, sit your ass down, boy.
Sit your ass down, man.
이러고도 선생입니까? 선생이라고 불린다고 해서 다 선생이 아닙니다. 선생님들을 때려잡는다 하셨습니까?
Perfect, man.
Say that shit now.
선생 편도 학생 편도 아니 피해자의 편입니다.
Yes.
Hey, man. Top 3.
Wow.
Top 3 K-dramas, man. I'm sorry.
Yeah, nah, this show is so good, bro.
법이 못하는 걸 누군가는 나서서 복수라도 해줘야지. 그래야 피해자들이 숨쉬고
Like all the main casts are like so good as well. Like even this guy.
입학한 사람들 그리고
The kid's family, man.
공평한 게 무엇인지 보여드리겠습니다. 부디 어른이면 어른답게. 자 그리고 혹시나 해서 하는 말인데 해외로 튈 생각하지 마시오.
He's
Yo.
looking directly at them as well.
We've all been banned from leaving the country.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
하던 대로 하면 됩니다.
이제 공부만 열심히 하면 돼.
Yeah, get rid of all of that shit, bro.
Oh my days, bro. That's so crazy.
Yes, even this guy, bro. I love this, man. Every single person.
No one gets away with anything in this.
당신이 한 아이의 인생을 어떻게 망치게 했는지 보여줘.
Yo, that's fire, man.
This show's so
Guys, that's how you making
That four
show,
piece, bro. That four piece, like the way, especially the last two, how they connected. Masterpiece, bro.
Perfect, man. Everything about this episode I just loved. Again, like I don't want to sound like a broken record, but like the way they just like the full circle moment of everything that happened from start to finish in this episode alone. It's like everything, every single person that was in the wrong, like there was justice. You get me?
Yeah, 100%.
It's amazing, man.
There was no loose ends, you know. Everything was turned. I like that. I like that, man.
Yeah,
Wow.
this guy has to be definitely one of the worst teachers of all time.
Yeah, he's genuinely,
Definitely top three for sure. Yeah, the backstory with Han Rim in this episode was absolutely amazing, man. I like the way they really delved more into her character, and honestly, like she's a cool character in episode 3, but like the way they wrote her character in this episode is like I'm really enjoying her character now.
Yeah, no, she's definitely. If the MC wasn't the MC, she'd probably be my favorite character. It's just that the MC is he's just too goated, bro. To not be your favorite character.
They're an incredible trio, anyway. Him, her, and
Even
even
the
Bong.
Chief. Yeah, even the Chief
The
as well.
Chief too, if you want to count
Chief
him
is
too,
fire,
man.
bro.
They're just an incredible like organization or whatever you want to call them. They're just fantastic, bro. Like, what can I say, bro? Like, they literally had a backup plan for everything. They planned everything out. They were steps ahead. I'm just like, it might be the most satisfying K-drama to watch.
100%.
Because it's like, I feel like, you know, usually I'm like, there's some loose ends left behind and someone got away with something.
Yeah, no,
the one person slipped through the crack.
Yeah, no.
And you're like, but at least we got the main guy. Bro, there's nothing I can ask for left.
No, in
Everything got
every
done.
episode you're satisfied, because in other K-dramas you don't feel satisfied until the end of this.
Also,
series.
too, like it's each episode's different. It's not like the same one. It's not like we're getting the same story.
No, of course, but at the same time, I really like the connection between the plots in this one and the last one.
Yeah.
It really added to episode 3. Like episode 3 was very good, yeah. But there was still, I felt like there was some loose ends, like the Yerin, her hatred. I didn't fully understand her hatred enough. So she felt to a certain extent one-dimensionally, like just, I hate teachers for no real good reason.
The thing is, when it got to the last scene, you know, when she came into the teacher's house, That's when I was like, yeah, nah.
Yeah, I'm talking about all of it. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm counting that too. That's what I mean. The whole episode, like to the end conclusion, I just felt like there was something missing, and to a certain extent, it's like I was like, is it just for shock value, or like she's here, she's thrown? I felt like there should be more to it, a reason to it.
Yeah,
and I'm happy we got that in episode 4. Like,
they're
there's a
also
roots.
saying that she was a top student before she started doing all this. Bullshit
exactly. And bro, well, wow, just great
IQ
writing.
just went out the window then. So she's academically just smart.
Who?
Because the crazy girl.
Yeah, she's academically smart.
Yeah, no, she's academically
She's just
smart,
from a poor family.
Yeah, because I don't know, like their IQ's just right. She's just moving like a fucking idiot.
In the what?
In
You mean
episode
like?
3.
Well, she's competing against like the organization is high level, bro.
Yeah.
A little kid's not gonna compete with that just because she gets good scores on history and maths.
No, what are we talking about? I'm talking about like before, like
it's not really an IQ thing. She's an academic, like, you know what I mean.
She was actually
she's not gonna
pretty
be competing
smart, though.
against.
She was very
She was
smart.
using her
the way she was
followers.
moving. Yeah,
No, she was.
using it.
You have to be quite smart to even be. The way the moves she was pulling was pretty crazy. Like
She was
it was enough
finessing
to
adults, bro.
Yeah.
The bureau had to step in and deal with it.
The bureau is like, we have a tech guy in Bong, we have like military experience. Like, come on, bro, it's like night and day. But yeah, no, it was great.
I'm intrigued to see where the story goes, man. Looking forward to episode 5. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you are new. Stay tuned with the Modern Nomads.